Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're actually going to be doing a mystery box, guys. Yes, that's right, mystery box from Mecca. So much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet and if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking this video. My name is Michelle. I actually do a lot of makeup and beauty tutorials, makeup and beauty haul, makeup and beauty reviews, makeup and beauty tips and tricks, and much more. So if you guys wanted to learn and save, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to find out, or if you guys wanted to join me what's in this mystery box and to see if you're actually going to save money, please keep on watching. Let's start, guys. I actually haven't opened this box yet, guys. Okay, we're gonna be opening it up together. Actually quite a big box, guys, and it's also has a very light weight, guys. So I'm really excited to open this box for you guys to see if we're actually going to save money. The Mecca here in Australia, guys, it's like similar to Sephora. They actually do sell a lot of high-end makeup and beauty products, guys. So in here, in this box here, guys, it's stated in here that discover our secret edit of beauty best sellers. So I'm really excited to see what's inside the box, guys. So it's stated here they are the best sellers products in this box. I've actually purchased these for $76 Australian dollars, guys. About $56 based on the exchange rate that I've actually did today. The actual value of this mystery box, guys, is actually 152 Australian dollars. Also a value of 171 New Zealand dollars, guys. So I believe this mystery box is also available in New Zealand. So this is the actual box. What's inside the mystery box, guys? Ooh. Oh my gosh. A bit disappointed. This is just basing on the box itself because it's a big box, and this is only how much it's in the box. I've only got 5 products in this box, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and have a look on the Mecca website and find out what's their original pricing. You actually get your mystery box card. So I believe this is all the products that are actually on the mystery box. Okay, which is, so it's just giving you a bit of information about these products in the mystery box. Okay, so first we've actually got a Stila. This is actually the Stila One Step Primer, guys. It's actually a 30 mils size. So this is preps, smooths, and nourishes. I actually haven't used this one, guys. I've used their other one, which is it's got like a color correcting one. So I was just looking on the website. This is actually retail for 58 Australian dollars or 36 US dollars, guys. A Too Faced. So this is their mini. It's only like a mini size. It's a mini size Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. So retail for $22 Australian dollars, guys, or $14 US dollars. But this is how it looks like, guys. So it's a mini mascara. So this is like a travel size mascara, guys. The Terry Ombre Black Star Cream Eyeshadow. Actually retail for $29 Australian dollars. On the website by Terry, it actually retails for $18 US dollars. I cannot find this from Sephora US, guys. Travel size, like a mini size eyeshadow cream, guys. That's how much you're getting. I feel like I'm just buying all these travel size Okay, the next one is the Mini MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. The MAC website, this is actually retail for $21 Australian dollars or $12 US dollars, guys. So it's a very small MAC lipstick. Lastly, we're actually getting a face mask. So this is the Glam Glow Cool Sheet face mask, and this is actually retail for $22 Australian dollars or $14 US dollars. Total amount here is actually 152 Australian dollars, guys. And this is what you're getting on the mystery box, guys. I just feel like with this you know, with these mini sizes here, guys, you know, sometimes they actually do give a you know, those free items for free. You know, if you're a member of Mecca, you know, you actually get, you know, it depends what level you are, you're actually getting that beauty loop boxes. It's with my channel, this is all about me helping you to save some money, guys. Don't really think this is actually worth $76, guys. I hope I've actually helped you out with this video, guys, so in that way you'll be able to decide if you're going to be getting the mystery box from Mecca or not. And please comment down below, guys, what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.